So here we have the flexi test box compression tester. I have placed the sample already, you can see. And in this we have three modes of testing. One is a static load, where you can define the load for the defined time. The load will hold for a particular time which you have already defined. And another is braking load, where the sample will be loaded till the break or a sudden drop till the 85% of the maximum load. And another third mode is like where you can define the deformation of the block or your box. So now I'm giving a demo of static loading, where you can define the load for a defined time. So I have defined 100 kg load for 2 minutes. You can see test speed is 12.5 mm per minute and the no load speed is 150 mm per minute. Now I'm starting the test. 0. So this is another good feature. You can see the Peloton has started moving. In the no load condition, the machine will run at a speed of 150 mm per minute. As soon as it sends some load, it will come to the test speed, which is 12.5 mm per minute. You can see now it has come to 12.5 mm. So the load will raise up to 100 kg, then it will hold for 2 minutes. You can see the live load is 100.22. It is fluctuating just because of the deformation of block. You can see the straight line curve. So the load is holding at 100 kg for defined time of 2 minutes. After 2 minutes finish, the test will goes to stop and the plate will return to its home position. The straight line shows the holding of load. We also have as inbuilt printer, so here you can instantly get the result printout. So 2 minutes finish and the test stop. The platen is returning to its home position. We can also manually stop. Now we can print. You can see the data is coming out with the testing curve. You can see all the data. Holding time, you can see here it is 2 minutes. This is the load, the maximum load. This is servo drive machine. As you can hear, there is no noise while running the instrument.